Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Lasko tower fan not oscillating in 2026. So before hopping on to the solutions, we need to understand what exactly happening here. So if the fan is blowing the air but not rotating, it simply means that the oscillation system isn't engaging. So this could be due to a setting issue, a stuck mechanism, or sometimes internal motor problems. So first of all, in order to fix it, you need to start with the basics. You need to make sure that the oscillation is actually enabled. For that, you just have to press the oscillation button on the fan or the remote, usually shown with a side-to-side arrow icon. Now, sometimes it gets turned off accidentally. Now, if the button doesn't respond, you can reset the fan. For that, you need to turn off and unplug it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then plug it back in and turn it on again. This clears the temporary system glitches as well. After that, you need to inspect the fan closely. Look for anything that is blocking the movement like dust buildup, debris, or misaligned housing. Even slight resistance can stop the oscillation. So in that case, you need to clean the fan body and ensure that it can move freely. Now, if the fan tries to move but gets stuck, the oscillation motor or gears may be jammed. So in that case, you need to turn off the fan and gently rotate it by hand and do not force it. This can help free a stuck mechanism. So you can try all of these methods and see if your Lasko tower fan is oscillating again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.